Hi, I'm Paul Young. I'm a director and chief lighting engineer at LED Lights for You. We were established in 2004 and first started marketing LED lighting in 2008. What's so special about our LED lighting systems? First of all, their TÜV certification is a German build and quality control system which ensures that our products perform as specified. They are built to last 15 to 20 years. We sell direct to our customers from the manufacturer. There's no middleman. Our LED lights are between 100 to 160 lumen per watt. That's about 30% more efficient than most LEDs that are available in retail and wholesale. In fact, we often replace other people's LEDs to save energy or, in fact, to improve lux levels. What do? We survey your premises, noting the loads in your lighting, and which forms then a report where we recommend the suitable lights based on lumen, IP rating, colour or Kelvin temperature, and the energy saving. Normally, we can achieve a 70% energy saving. So our aim is to provide the best technology, advice, and improve your environment and reduce energy costs permanently.